and no more counting dollars. We'll be counting stars.
Toothless. Go.
Verzorgen, zoete lach, 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 lach.
Oh, nee.
Doe ik het goed? Papi, 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 papi. Doe ik trop loin pour toi. Bonne, bonne, bonne de mes copines. Oh mes copines, oh mes copines. Tu veux la plus bonne, bonne, bonne de mes copines. Oh mes copines, oh mes copines. Je veux que bombarder, bom, bom, bombarder.
Hickey, a moment. Listen, I've been watching you walk. Lose the limp. No one's gonna marry that.
Ice on my neck, doesn't come in. I'm a pretty boy, I'm stunning. Super speed Sonic, I'm running. Super, super, super speed Sonic, I'm running. Ice on my neck, doesn't come in. I'm a pretty boy, I'm stunning. Super speed Sonic, I'm running. Super, super, super speed Sonic, I'm running.
No, I'm not a demon. I'm not a demon. See? Just a guy. Just a guy here to rescue these dragons, so... Dragon scales! That's really just a nitwit who forgot to fireproof his butt. Oh. Hey, guys. This is Burke, your new home away from home. A stunning, one-stop, all-expense-paid dream destination. So settle in and let your worries melt away.
Hotel Trivago.
Isn't that right, bud? What would we do without you, old king of dragons? What would we do? What's up, guys? Yeah, your mom's super impressed with me. I'm like the son she always wanted. Hey, bud, you wanna do something here? Or?
Where do you suppose we put these ones?
We'll make room.
Ah! They're a bad omen. We're cursed.
Come on, boy.
You're just asking for trouble.
No, you don't.
Are getting closer by...
We have the alpha. Ain't that right, bud?
Ah! Sanitary.
Robert, you're not fooling anybody. I know you love them.
The generation that leads us into the future. Ah! God help us. Time to stop worrying about problems out there and start sorting out the ones right here.
Okay. I'll think about it.
Hang up those saddles and get married. Please. You're the only one with any sense around here. With you wearing the pants, there's still hope.
Wow! Not awkward at all.
Astrid, don't be like that.
Whoa, that is a definitive no. Look, if you need a beard to cry on, lean on my shoulder and you can cry into my full, thick beard.
Oh, thank you, Tough Nut. Thank you. What's the report? So we go after them. What?
One day, you're gonna pick a fight you can't win.
Okay. Wow. Even night furies? Those are scary.